today you join us back on the stone build over in Sheffield. Now, let me talk you through my master plan today. Ideally, we want to be sending all of the stonework masonry up to lintel height and a little bit beyond. Hopefully, if we get halfway up to lintel height today, the next time we are here, we'll be able to dob all the lintels on. Quite exciting. We're using a different type of lintel system, or some new lintels from Catnic, so I'm quite excited to put them on because they're totally different.
Last night we were getting tattoos, so we don't forget about smoking cigarettes at the drive-thru. When we'd only talk about love, drunk promises that we shouldn't make. I knew they'd never come through. I knew I wanted to love you so bad I would say anything.
It's mint. Just get everywhere set up, we are about to start pulling this big leg through. Well, I say big leg, 3 metre leg. We're just checking with 6 foot level, because obviously we are following the house gauge, making sure that everything's running perfect. We are slightly low on that side, ever so slightly. We're talking, maybe 2 mil maximum in this one level. So go slightly pick this side up and start pulling this through, get this up to hopefully about that height, and then we'll transfer over there. We've got Jake dressing all the corners for me. Is that so I know it's dressed? Oh, what a guy. Oh God, it's sinking.
Need to put some more sand in it.
That's alright. So hard to try and plumb this when it's just
Bulbous.
I'm kind of making it up. As long as it looks kind of flat, you should cast your eye down it. That looks terrible.
Wait.
Really stacked down. chirping on the move. No time wasted. We're just going to strip the scaffold since this pretty much is up to a really decent height. Strip the scaffold, see how all the lads are getting on. Oh, Jake's doing a marvellous job of getting this pillar up to our lintel height, and then me and Jack are going to transfer down this little alleyway here. We've still got enough stone, haven't we? Yeah. Have a little look. Yeah, so we've got one more pack of the medium stones left, so that's perfect. So that should pretty much see us out since we took round all the 440 stones and the little ones. So we'll get stuck in down here.
Circles at 10,000 miles of pavement, trying to make it all make sense. I've been underslept, overworked, overstretched, I'm exhausted, but I got you. I've had friends that have thrown me aside like a burned out cigarette, and times that I've taken it all but then lost it. I've been misunderstood, tasted the bad with the good, but I still got
Oh, low and too short. Something we're finding on this is so annoying. So we've got all of our new stones and we're running level straight across the top. If you come in here close, can you see that difference there? If you can see it. But what we have, that bed joint's massive. Turns out half of these stones are 135. 135. And then we've got other ones which are 145. So some of the stones are all over the place. So I'm really struggling to pick up on some places. And I was just thinking to myself, why are we struggling so much? Should have checked it earlier. But yeah, we've got 135s scattered along 140s. But I'll get this up to lintel height and then we've got to start pulling that through. Just a little moan. There we go. Let's try this one. Oh, that's so much better. There we go. They say third time's a charm, isn't it, Jack?
It is, mate. Especially when you're working on someone else's house.
We'd rather get it right though, wouldn't we?
for you.
A bit too in. Jake's just pointed that side there for us. About to point this in a little bit, and we've just tidied that scaff there as well. So that's now pretty much up to lintel height on that pillar, lintel height on that pillar. We're now ready to stick the steel in a little while, and the sole plate to go straight across the back of the building. All that's remaining is this little pillar to get up to lintel height. So that shouldn't take too long, and then hopefully, you can't see my watch, it's smashed to bits, we'll be off early. Have a big one, please. Delightful. Brilliant teamwork here from the boys. On the cup. 310. Right, that is where we're actually leaving it for today. 15 minutes early. So not brilliant, but hey ho. F-ware's up to lintel height, fantastic, ready for the steels to go on. Next time we come here on Monday, all the new lintel systems going on, so very excited about that. Who thought you could get excited about lintels? I can. So they'll be going on, build over them, and then that's pretty much got the job done. So we'll catch you on Monday when we're dobbing these lintels on. Absolutely buzzing. So last time we were here, we was able to get all the masonry up to 2.1. And finally, my Catnic thermally broken lintels have turned up. So these just get dobbed on like a normal lintel. Really easy, really easy. What's really special about these lintels, you'll notice how we're missing the top half. Now, that's something they've done on purpose, obviously. These lintels are 96% more efficient than the other standard lintels that have a bridge over the top. Now, they're called thermally broken because you can see how there's a break in the cavity. The setup is exactly the same as any other lintel because it is, but again, just a lot more energy efficient. So we just got to stick our tray over, get it all set up, ready for coarser stone to go over, and then probably 2 coarser common and probably a wall plate on the back. So something else what's really awesome about these, they are compliant with the new regulations that came out back in 2001, Part L 2021 regulations, which you don't really need to read into it. All we basically need to know about that new regulation that's come into place. New builds, extensions need to have crazy thermal value. That's why we've swapped to 150mm cavity. That's why we've got triple glazed windows going in everywhere. These really help on achieving those SAP values. Might be missing the top, but they have the exact same strength rating as any other lintel this size. So absolutely fantastic. Right, now I've dobbed that lintel on, we're going to dob the other one on, cover everything up with tray and start building across. So shouldn't take too long and we'll have this job totally wrapped up, pretty much ready for roof by end of play today. Wall plate's gone on, which is fantastic. Trays all sorted and set out. So now we've just got to build over all of our lintels. What I like to do with our wall plate, I think I've said this so many times, but our joiners are very particular. Level across this way, but also level across where the bird's mouth is going to sit. So their bird's mouth sit really flat like that. If you don't level across your wall plate and their bird's mouth are sitting like that, they're not going to be happy joiners. Anyway, forget about joiners. We're going to start pulling the stone through. We've only got one course, and then our soffit is going to be sat on top of this. So, man, it's 20 to 4. That's no good, is it? It's stuck in. Here you are. The only level I have is a 6 foot one. Thing is with these lintels as well, there's no difference between this lintel and laying any other lintel. Like your upstands are the same, weep holes are the same, strength is the same. It's all the same, but it's more efficient. Why wouldn't you want to use it? That's solid. Normally it bounces loads over a lintel. Not this. Oh, wow. Sound right. That is pretty much where we are leaving this job. Lintels on. Thank you very much, Catnic. Lintels on. Lovely and thermal. Wall plate on, lintels on, 1 course of stone on, ready for the fascia and soffit. If you look behind me, you can see that the steels have also gone in, but that will be in a separate video. This job is now wrapped up for us. We're not going to be building the gables because guess what? I'm off on my stag do. So me and Jake are gone for a week off to Benidorm. Aren't we going to have fun, eh? Can't wait. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this one. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much for Catnic for supporting the channel. Really appreciate it. And that is this job wrapped up.